For every marketer, understanding customers is the first step to success. Do you need to segment your target consumers but encounter difficulties in data analysis? Meet Powerdrill, the AI-powered tool that simplifies customer segmentation. Let's begin by uploading our dataset. With Powerdrill, it's as simple as a few clicks. Powerdrill's exploration feature suggests insightful questions based on your data, guiding you to uncover hidden patterns. Now, let Powerdrill help us segment customers based on the data. Watch as Powerdrill swiftly generates the code and analyzes the data. And there it is. Powerdrill has identified several main customer clusters, summarized their characteristics, and provided conclusions all based on your dataset. With Powerdrill, every question leads to strategic insights to enhance customer engagement and drive growth. Moreover, you won't want to miss out the amazing feature of generating data report, as Powerdrill can automatically generate questions and offer valuable insights. This will definitely help you think about marketing work easily. Explore more advanced features at powerdrill.ai and unlock the full potential of your data analysis. Powerdrill, unlock 100x efficiency.